Elevating business operations with Cin7 Core. Connected inventory performance. Manage less. Connect everything. Scale smarter. Welcome to the future of inventory management with Cin7 Core, where every order and every product is right where you need it, when you need it. If you're a business aiming for growth, you need an inventory solution you can count on, both now and in the future. With Cin7, you get a real-time picture of your products across systems, channels, marketplaces, and regions. Imagine handling over 125 million orders per year, like our 8,000-plus satisfied Cin7 customers, managing over $35 billion in gross merchandise value, sell products anywhere, drive performance everywhere. Take Megan Fabulous, a women's clothing brand that's grown 18 times in size over just 5 years, thanks to Cin7's robust capabilities. Every single order flows through Cin7, making their expansive operations seamless and efficient. Or consider Titan RV and Redfoot Leveling, who have transformed their operations with Cin7, leading to record-breaking success and an unprecedented growth trajectory, all supported by the expert team at Software4Business. With Cin7 Core, manage multi-channel inventory and orders, utilize barcode scanning for precise tracking, and enjoy seamless integration with e-commerce and accounting platforms. Automate reorder points, customize workflows, and efficiently manage your warehouse and manufacturing processes. Our clients say it best, simply amazing, and we cannot thank you enough. With Cin7, they've not only streamlined their inventory but also enhanced customer satisfaction and overall business operations. Ready to transform your business with Cin7 Core? Visit our website and fill out the contact form. It's that easy. Join the ranks of thriving businesses and let Cin7 and Software4Business take your operations to the next level. Don't wait to upgrade your business. Connect with us today and see the difference Cin7 Core and Software4Business can make for you. Visit us at www.software4business.com or call us at 04985092217.